Okay, real quickly, everybody, I wanted to show a common issue that happens to Unity. I think because the way they have your student accounts locked down, um, and it's not anything you did. It's just something a little fluke of how Unity projects are installed. If you don't have the buttons to change it from global to local coordinate system, and you also don't have the little gizmo in the upper right corner, you do need those to complete these projects. So here's how you fix it. In Unity, just go to the very upper right corner. This is your layouts button. And go down to the bottom and choose reset all layouts. And then continue. So it looks like everything changed, but your scene is the same. It's reset the panels. So now we can go back over here. And Caitlin finally has the global and local button so we can change our coordinates to be all the same, which will make it much easier to move these pieces around. And then she can go ahead and switch to the top view and into isometric mode to get a better layout. That's it. Don't forget, upper right corner, reset all layouts if you lose your buttons. You're welcome. Good luck.